Hi there, my name is Stephanie. I'm here to introduce you to the Siemens SIPART PS2 electro-pneumatic positioner. These interactive e-learning modules have the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and the control buttons on the bottom of the screen to also help you navigate. Let's get started. We'll start by getting Henry to review some basics about positioners, their place in the world of instrumentation, and what they actually do.
Hi, my name is Henry, and I'm here to talk to you about how positioners work. Positioners do not act alone. They're part of a team. In process engineering and processing plants, positioners are used in combination with actuators and valves. Here are a couple of common valves that you use every day. Of course, in industry, valves come in many different sizes and shapes. They can be control valves or shut-off valves, and they can be driven by manual power or by actuators. But the basic function remains the same. Valves adjust the pressure or flow rate in a pipe. Since one factory might have thousands of valves, it is impossible for them to be manually driven. That's where the actuator comes in. It automates that process by providing valve control. An actuator is a type of motor and can be electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic, and single-acting or double-acting. Whatever the type, it is the actuator that moves the position of the valves, and this movement can be linear or rotary. The basic operation is actually very simple. On the left is a linear single-acting actuator with a plug in the closed position. To the right is an open valve allowing the material to flow through. So how does the actuator know when and how much to move the valve? You guessed it, it's the positioner. It's the brains of the system, and it controls the actuator. And here's how it works. The positioner receives the set point, detects the valve position, and then changes the compressed air supply of the actuator in order to drive the valve to the requested set point.
Now that you have a better understanding of what a positioner is and what it does, it's time for the big event. So grab your popcorn, pick a seat, and get ready for this blockbuster hit, starring the one and only SIPART PS2.
To make my plant more efficient and energy-saving, I often have to go into a lot of detail. No, a lot more than that. There we go. For example, positioners for control valves. My plant has dozens of them. Others will have hundreds. That means any number of different control valves. If I need a different positioner for each one, big one, small one, different manufacturers, part-turn valve actuators, linear actuators, simple regulation, diagnostic functions, small stroke, large stroke, on-off valve, plus all the stocking for all these different positioners that goes with it, plus a manual for each one, plus software and tools. What if there was one positioner that could handle everything? I mean, flexible enough for all actuators. A no-brainer. Easy to install and quick to initialize. Oh. An all-in-one package. Push buttons, display, digital input, diagnostic messages, communication capabilities, all at no extra charge? Modular and scalable? Oh. Extended diagnostic messages for preventive problem solving, or a partial stroke test. Oh, really? Maybe the piezo pneumatics can even save compressed air costs. Oh. Robust and designed for aggressive environments? Oh. With Macrolon, aluminum, stainless steel, and explosion-proof housing? Oh, yeah. And for tricky, non-standard applications? Oh. A non-contacting sensor for extreme vibrations and remote applications? Wow. Now, if it were also just internationally certified and proven in actual use. Okay. One device to rule them all. Oh, sorry. No, but seriously, very impressive. One that masters everything. SIPART PS2.
When it comes to precision control of valves in different industries and applications, the SIPART PS2 is the first choice. So let's take a closer look at the main benefits of the PS2 that were introduced in the movie to see what exactly makes it number one.
Although small in size, the SIPART PS2 is a robust instrument with 4 specially designed enclosures for aggressive environments. The standard macrolon enclosure is used for about 80% of the applications. The aluminum enclosure is an option for tougher applications. The stainless steel is designed for salty environments, making it ideal for any application close to the sea. And the explosion-proof enclosure is designed specifically for explosive areas. No matter what atmosphere surrounds your SIPART PS2 positioner, you are perfectly equipped for all occasions. Looking for a quick setup? With its user-friendly digital display, you can configure the PS2 in a matter of minutes. It guarantees simple operation and programming using 3 push buttons and a 2-line LCD display. Just press the buttons with your fingers, and the PS2 does the rest. The SIPART PS2 is an electro-pneumatic positioner because it controls pneumatic actuators which move valves with compressed air. This is the pneumatic block inside the PS2 that changes the airflow. It uses special piezo crystal technology. The piezo valves are only activated when there's movement, so there's minimal air consumption. The compressed air comes in, and the pneumatic block in the positioner changes the airflow going to the actuator, which then moves the valve. We all know that more efficiency means more savings. Most conventional positioners have continuous airflow, but not the PS2. Instead, it uses a unique pulsed air design to deliver the air to the actuator. This means that the PS2 consumes 85% less air to do the same job as a conventional valve positioner. This extremely low air consumption means customers not only save money in compressed air costs, but they also cut back significantly on CO2 emissions, making the PS2 the green choice. With the PS2, there is no need to be confused like this anymore when it comes to selecting a positioner to fit your actuator. There are over 400 different mounting kits available for non-standardized actuators to allow the PS2 to mount onto your control valve. Having one device for all your applications also eliminates stocking issues, saving money. With the PS2, you can feel like this, because if there's a valve out there, chances are we have put a PS2 on it. For tricky, non-standard applications, the PS2 offers out-of-the-box thinking. Here are some industry examples. You can see that the positioner is a very versatile product, and it can be installed in various types of applications. The SIPART PS2 also has a non-contacting sensor. This works well in applications with extreme vibration or small strokes. Basically, wherever remote applications are necessary. The NCS sensor can be mounted with a magnet onto the spindle of linear actuators, or onto the shaft butt of a part-turn actuator. The positioner can then be mounted safely away from your application, just like in these industry examples. The PS2 has variety in communications. In addition to the standard 4 to 20 mA, it is also compatible with handhelds, Profibus, and Fieldbus Foundation. This offers full and user-friendly information exchange between the positioner and the higher-level system. The SIPART PS2 is a diagnostic specialist. It comes standard with extended online diagnostics for itself, its environment, valve, and actuator for even more process security. The partial stroke test, or PST, checks the condition of a valve which has remained in the same position over a long period of time, indicating that corrosion or buildup may be making it difficult for the valve to move. The SIPART PS2 moves the actuator over a specific partial stroke, removing possible process buildup, recording movement, and ensuring proper valve performance. These diagnostic messages provide online monitoring and preventative problem-solving against pneumatic leaks, changes in static friction, wear and tear on the valve seat or valve plug, and control deviations. For on-off and control valves, the PST function increases plant safety by ensuring safe valve control in critical situations in case an emergency shutdown is required. With the PS2, you know your process inside and out. The PS2 has certifications for worldwide business. And if there's one you need that we don't already have, let us know. Well, that's it for me. Thank you for listening. And now here's Stephanie to ask you some questions.
True or false? The flexibility of the SIPART PS2 is minimal. Since 1997, the SIPART PS2 has been proven in actual use in a huge variety of applications. With over 1 million sold, experience shows that it really is one device to rule them all. For more e-learning modules like these, please visit siemens.com/pi-e-learning and click on Interactive Modules. For additional information, you can also visit our website at siemens.com/SIPART PS2. And if any of our e-learning modules pique your curiosity and you would like to learn more, then we invite you to come visit one of our training centers at any of these locations. Our in-depth courses include hands-on training from application specialists. You'll get to play with actual PI instruments and learn about them in more detail. For both introductory and advanced training, go to siemens.com/pi-training and register now. This e-learning module is not only viewable on your computer, but on your mobile devices too. All major mobile devices are supported, including Apple, Android, BlackBerry, and more. BrainShark even offers an app for Apple users and an app for Android users for a more interactive mobile presentation. So get mobile! Thanks for stopping by and learning more about the SIPART PS2, our intelligent positioner for unlimited flexibility. See you soon!